Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's Si here from Si Moto Photo, and today I'm doing my other job out with the shop where I capture bikers on the roads in Scotland with a shutter speed in my camera that makes their wheels look blurry, the background look blurry, but they look pin sharp. So I've done this for a wee bit now, and it's a thing that I love doing. I love my photography and I love getting out and capturing bikers on the road. So come on, I'm going to take you on this wee journey today, and I'm going to show you what camera settings that I use on the camera and how I capture these images, and I'll talk you through the process. Now, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. I've got more stuff like this coming up over the next few months, over the summer months. So if you like what you see, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and one I'll take you and I'll show you what we do here. So the kit we're using is a Canon R5, and this is absolutely fantastic for the job. Actually, I got this camera a few years back, and it's really top notch. One of the biggest things that I've done was that I used to have an EF camera, which was the mirrored version of the SLR. This is a mirrorless version, and I had a 70-200 lens that I used for this, the bike pictures, but it's almost double the size of this, and it's a really heavy lens. So when I went with the RF system, I changed it to this lens, and this lens is absolutely fantastic. It's nice and light and compact, but the image clarity on it is just superb. Now, in terms of the settings of the camera, you've seen the screen here. I used to shoot in manual mode, but in manual mode the light changes constantly when you're out doing this, especially in the hills. You'll get breaks in the cloud and the sunlight will flare up and stuff like that. So I used to shoot in manual, and it was really quite difficult to try and keep on top of it. You used to get a lot of shots that were maybe overexposed when you get back to Lightroom. So now what I do is I shoot it in TV, and I shoot I'm focusing on the shutter speed. I want to capture these images at a 250 of a second. By doing that, what it does is it lets you capture the wheels in motion, so they blur out and the background sort of blurs out, and it makes the bike look as if it's really moving, but the image is pin sharp. So that's pretty much the settings that I'm using on the camera, and I've got it set. The autofocus setting is set to vehicles, so it picks up the wheels. I used to you could actually get it to pick up the motorcycle helmet, but I found it a wee bit unreliable, so I just use it in the vehicle setting now and set my back button focus to lock onto the bike, and then I shoot it in a pan in the way by, just shoot it in the way by. So let's see many bikes come by and we'll see if we can capture stuff. C1 shutter priority, 250th of a second. We're just going to pan this chap going by. That's that one caught. Let's see. Oh, big Harley Davidson. Looks like a Harley, looks like a Harley. Is a Harley. Yep, that was a Harley. So see, just with these camera settings again, so I'm on C1, which is an aperture, a time priority, shutter priority, which is giving me, I've set it to a 250th of a second, and the camera does the rest of the work for me. So it works out what ISO it needs to be in, and it just sets the aperture to bring in the right light. So it pretty much does it all for you, to be honest. This is another one coming as well, so just start the video on the drone. Yep. Ducati. Sometimes when they're bunched up too close, it makes it quite difficult because the camera doesn't really get time to respond, or I don't get time to respond to capture lots of the different riders. So it's better when they're spaced out a bit, so that I can get a chance to take one shot and then get back on for the other shot coming by. So if you are out and about and you want your photo taken, please make sure you're spaced out. It makes it a wee bit easier for me. So we're getting towards lunchtime, so we've been here for a couple of hours now, and we've managed to get a few bikers so far. It's not quite as busy as it usually is, but it's a bit overcast today, so maybe that's why. But let's see what we've got for lunch today. So we've got, oh, get me sandwich. What's in this? A little ham and cheese sandwich, fantastic, and a packet of crispy roast chicken. Superb. Let's tuck into this. Yum yum. Come on, before the lorry comes, biker. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Well, it's going to be difficult. No, too difficult. Too difficult. Too many cars in the way. That's a shame. Get a wave off him as well. Sorry, buddy. Right, here we go, we get some bikes coming. Let's see if we can get some pictures now. This looks like a good crowd. So we've got it on 3/20th of a second. Shutter priority, auto ISO, autofocus on. Let's see if we can get these guys here. Nice pictures, and there's another one coming as well. Well, that was an interesting shoot. It wasn't busy today as on other days. It's still a wee bit overcast and things like that. It's a wee bit chilly in the mornings as well still. We're at the end of April here in Scotland, and the bike season really starts to kick off in about May. So, but I hope you enjoyed that. It's a wee bit of insight into what I do with the biker pics, just to capture people in their way buying their bikes. And how, you know, the different settings that I use. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll do some more of these videos later throughout the year, hopefully when the weather's a wee bit nicer. But thanks again for tuning in to Moto Photo, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take it easy, man.